Hey everyone, I wanted to talk to you about something that I'm getting a lot of questions about lately. And it's when the listing says conventional or cash only. So those houses usually have a few things in common. They need some work and the owner doesn't have any money to make the repairs. It's usually what I find happens. So we do have some solutions for you though. Those can be done FHA or USDA type of thing, VA. But what we're going to do for you is you've got some solutions. You've got escrow holdback. And what that means is that we're going to take the bids to figure out how much the repairs are going to be. And we're going to put that in a special account at closing. And the repairs are going to be made after closing. So this is an awesome solution. The other solution are our renovation loans. So let's say a house really needs a lot of work, maybe foundation or roof, or it just needs gutting and they want it redone. Well, we can do that also. So there are some solutions for those houses that say conventional or cash only. Give us a call. Let us help you work through it with the listing agent and we will get them into the home of their dreams. Thanks, guys.